Lights, camera, ready for that action. Lights, camera, ready for that action. Tags, snatching. Designer on designer, it's a habit. Cause baby, it's a look. It's a look. It's a look. It's a look. Don't you see me? Cause baby, it's a look.
Hey Cocoa Puffs, welcome to my channel Coco Rochelle. If you're not a part of the Cocoa Puff gang, I don't know what you're doing. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post videos. So today I'm going to share with you guys my natural hair, my wash day routine that I usually do after this big chop. So it's kind of different. I've been using the Shea Moisture collection. Yeah, so my hair is really dirty. So first off, I go on and comb out the knots because my hair is very coarse. So you have to comb it out, take out those knots. And I am going to, of course, rinse out the hair so it could be wet before you apply the shampoo. I'm taking the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo, with the black castor oil, and I'm applying that to my hair. If you guys haven't watched my big chop, I don't know what you're doing. You better go pause this video and watch me do that big chop. And also I did a haul on some products that I bought for my natural hair, since I am a natural sister now. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse out that shampoo and I'm gonna go on and apply a second shampoo.
With a wig on, chocolate, caramel, or red ball. So confident, so classy.
Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. This is what my wash day contains of. Like, I have my music playing in the background and I am just going, singing, having fun, because it takes a process. Yeah, I'm applying the shampoo to my head a second time and making sure that I scrub all on the sides and the back of my hair. I know it's easy right now since my hair is not that much, because I know when my hair gets bigger, it's going to be a little bit harder. So right now I'm just embracing this real short hair since it's so easy to maintain. Yep, I'm acting a fool. Alright, I'm gonna wash that out. I only do 2 or 3 washes. I don't really go in more than that unless my hair is really dirty. And I do this every other week. I don't wash my hair every week, every other week. So I'm gonna take the Strengthen and Restore treatment mask. The one I showed before that was just, I wanted to show you guys that's one I use if I'm not doing the mask. Like, I just do the mask about I would say once a month. I don't really go in as much. I can change it to twice a week, but I just do it once a month. But with the conditioner, that's when I do it so I would use that every other week. Yeah, so I apply that to my head. It smells so good, and I'm gonna comb it out. It makes my hair so soft, guys. Oh my god, this is like the best mask ever. I don't know, I haven't tried a lot of products anyways, since this is my first time going with natural. Yeah, so I'm applied to my head. I'm showing you guys how it looks, and I'm gonna put my shower cap on. This is gonna stay on for about 30 minutes, so you guys can go on and watch TV, do anything, because 30 minutes you cannot stay in there for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to take it off. I'm taking the shower cap off and I'm showing you guys how it looks. My hair is so soft right now. I wish you guys can just like go into this screen and touch my hair, because it's like really soft. I'm loving it. You can see I'm loving it. Yeah, so I'm showing you guys my curl pattern. I have a 4C hair and I'm gonna rinse out my hair. And also I wanted to share you guys that I also go in and rinse my hair with black color. I use the Adore black. I just want to tell you guys that, so you guys know that my hair is not usually this black. My hair is like a 1B, but I like it to be jet black, so I use a rinse to color my hair. Alright, I'm showing you guys my hair after it's washed. It's so soft right now. I'm just loving it. Oh, yes. Now I'm gonna dry my hair off using a towel. This is like a hair towel. I don't use like a rough towel. This is like really soft. So I'm going in and just drying it out. It's easy to dry because my hair is short right now, so you don't have to really like, you know how some when you have long hair, you would put the towel and leave it stay for a while. This one I just kind of like go and dry it off, and that's it. And I'm gonna take my strengthening and restore smoothie. I love this thing. I use it every day because my hair is so dry. So I'm gonna take this and apply it all over my hair. It's like a yogurt. My hair loves this. My hair needs moisture. That's one thing. My hair is very, very dry. I'm gonna apply that to my hair. And then after that, I'm gonna seal that in using my coconut oil. I love coconut oil, so I'm gonna use that on my hair. That is also what helped my hair grow. If you guys notice, my hair did grow a lot from the big chop, so that also helped. Coconut oil also helped with my hair growth. I use coconut oil for like almost everything. My skin, if you guys want to know about my skincare, that's one of the things I use as part of my skincare routine, coconut oil. I apply and make sure that it's moisturized all over, and I'm gonna just dry off my hands, and I am going to show you guys the coconut oil. Well, first I'm gonna comb it out and show you guys how my hair is growing. It's getting like a little teeny weeny afro. All right. Okay. Okay, Rochelle, we get it. Okay, now you're just doing too much, Rochelle. Like, come on. Let's go. All right, so I'm taking my 100% coconut oil, and make sure that your coconut oil is pure. If you can also use olive oil. Some people use tea tree oil. Oops, I sneezed. Excuse me. So I'm gonna apply that all over my hair. But first, I wanted to apply it to my face first, just so, because my face is feeling real dry. I had to apply some. You know, when you get out the shower, and if you don't apply lotion right away, that's how dry my skin is. My face just starts to tighten, and I hate that feeling. So I had to apply some coconut oil to my face. I apply it all over to my hair, and then I'm going to just wipe my hands and go in and rub that all over my face. I love coconut oil. And I'm gonna show you guys the growth oil that I use after my hair is dry. So right now I'm just gonna let my hair air dry, and then after that I'll use the wild growth hair oil. So that's like after my hair is dry. I'll apply it to my scalp. So I'm showing you guys how my hair looks after this wash day. I'm showing you guys the growth and the improvement. Like, I'm really getting used to this natural hair. I'm loving it because my hair was damaged before, and I'm kind of liking it. Like, I'm getting used to it, guys. Yep, I'm showing you guys my natural hair and my hair pattern. I can't wait till my hair gets big, and I'm going to show you guys how it is. So if you guys want to continue seeing my natural hair journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're a part of the Cocoa Puff gang, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.